Hi, my name's Ciara. I'm an environmental educator at Shirley Chisholm State Park in Brooklyn. I'm really excited to talk to you today about some of the ways that I make more sustainable and eco-friendly decisions in my daily life. Now, a lot of these seem really little and really simple, but the more you do them, the more they become a habit and the bigger the impact can be. So let's get started. Okay, that's all I've got for you right now, but don't forget that there's definitely lots of other ways you can be more sustainable in your daily life, and they may seem like really small choices, but things add up and they can have a really big impact, so good luck!